The following video will show you how to add a new portfolio on SARS eFiling. There are three types of portfolios. Individual. A person acts for himself or herself to administer his or her own individual taxes. Tax practitioner. A person registered with SARS and/or a recognized controlling body, RCB, with assigned power of attorney to act on behalf of a taxpayer. Organization. A representative of a tax-paying entity acting either as a representative taxpayer, for example, public officer, executor of an estate, etc., or an appointed representative with assigned power of attorney in place. Go to the eFiling website www.sarsefiling.co.za and log on to your eFiling profile. Click My Profile on the left pane of the home page. Then click Portfolio Management below. The Portfolio Management screen will display for you to link Add Portfolios. To add a new portfolio to your profile, select Add Portfolio. Type the portfolio name you are adding. Select the portfolio type on the drop-down arrow: Individual, Tax Practitioner, or Organization. Click Add Portfolio. The portfolio you have added will appear under Linked Portfolios. By clicking the ellipsis on the right-hand side, you can set a default portfolio so that the system automatically displays this portfolio when you log in. Change the portfolio type. Rename portfolios for your ease of reference. Congratulations! You have successfully added a new portfolio.